My friends, many production systems today are running something outdated. It can be an old operating system, an unsupported runtime, or a framework your team never had time to upgrade. And the problem is not just that it is outdated. The real problem is that vulnerabilities keep appearing, but there are no fixes coming anymore. So the question is simple: do you actually see that risk? Because most tools do not show it. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at a tool designed specifically to solve this problem. It is called the CVE Tracker from TuxCare, and it helps you understand hidden security risks across your entire stack. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's break it down. Folks, TuxCare's CVE Tracker is not just another vulnerability database. It is a tool focused on one specific problem: end-of-life software and the risks that come with it. Most systems today rely on CVE databases. They show vulnerabilities and severity levels, but they do not tell you if the component is no longer supported. They do not show if a fix will ever exist. And they do not show the full dependency chain. That is where things get dangerous. Because in real systems, most of the risk does not come from what you installed directly. It comes from dependencies several layers deep. Guys, so instead of just listing vulnerabilities, this tool shows you what actually matters. Is the component supported? Is there a fix? And where exactly this risk lives in your stack? Mates, let's take a look at how this works in practice. When I open the CVE Tracker, the first thing I see is a full list of vulnerabilities across different components. Right away, I can filter everything. I can sort by severity, by product, or by specific versions. This makes it easier to focus only on what actually matters for my system. But the key part here is not just filtering, it is the fix status. For each vulnerability, I can see if a patch is available, already applied, still in progress, or not possible at all. This gives a much clearer picture than a standard CVE list, and this is where it becomes useful in real workflows. Instead of just seeing a vulnerability, I understand if I can fix it, if I need to monitor it, or if I need an alternative solution. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, now let's go deeper. One of the biggest problems in modern systems is dependencies. Just like in shared hosting, where multiple users share the same server resources, modern applications rely on multiple layers of libraries and frameworks. If one layer fails, it can affect everything else. The same idea applies here. A vulnerability might not come from your main framework. It can come from something hidden deep inside your dependency chain. And this tool makes that visible. It shows vulnerabilities across the entire dependency tree. That means you are not just seeing security issues in what you deliberately installed, but in everything that comes with it. Guys, next let's look at integration. All this data can be exported in formats like CSV or JSON, so you can connect it to your existing tools like monitoring systems or ticketing platforms. There is also an alert system. You can subscribe to specific products or components. When something changes, like a new patch or status update, you get notified automatically. This saves time because you do not need to constantly check dashboards. And finally, for teams working with compliance, the platform provides machine-readable security data. This includes formats used for auditing and reporting, which helps prove that vulnerabilities are tracked and managed properly. So overall, the workflow here is very straightforward. You identify vulnerabilities, understand their real impact, track their status, and stay updated without manual effort. So folks, here is the key takeaway. Most tools show you vulnerabilities, but they do not show you the full picture. They do not tell you if something is no longer supported. They do not show hidden risks inside dependencies. And they do not help you decide what to do next. TuxCare's CVE Tracker is built to solve that exact problem. It gives you visibility into risks that are usually hidden and makes them actionable. If you are running any end-of-life software, there is a good chance you already have exposure that you do not fully see. So it is definitely worth checking out. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.